Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, NUBIA Pad 3D, and now I'm going to show you how to make this device faster. So, the first and maybe the main aspect you need to check is your storage. So, open settings and open storage. As you can see, I used only 38 gigabytes, maybe 39 gigabytes, or 128. So when you will fill up your storage over the 70%, it's stated here. So it means that you need to free up your space, free up your storage, because when you have filled up your storage, when you have your storage full, your device is starting to slowing down. So never fill up your storage over 75-80% and you will have your device in good condition. Cool. So nextly, when your storage is freed, so then you can free up the RAM from time to time. You can use your settings application, and in settings you can find storage again, and in storage you can find other, for example, or AP keys, and remove all, for example, installed applications AP keys if you downloaded AP keys from the web browser. You can find documents you can add applications and remove unused applications. Of course, remember that any application you have on your device consuming RAM. Okay, so here again the good idea to do that. So very good idea to remove applications you don't use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye.